Hi, welcome to my best split system air conditioners review. Are you looking for the split system air conditioners? We analyzed consumer reviews to find top split system air conditioners. This video, we share top 5 split system air conditioners on the market. Subscribe our channel and get more info and real-time deal on your favorite product. Let's start. Number 5. Pioneer Series 22 SEER Inverter Plus. This is a dual-zone heat pump system with ultra-high efficiency inverter which you cannot look over. It has cooling capacity to 4,197-19,900 BTUs per hour and heating capacity to 2,225-23,475 BTUs per hour. After buying, you can see the air conditioner and heat pump in a full set package. Remarkably, please read more instruction to get the right usage. Number 4. Senville SEER 24 CD 24,000 BTUs 15 SEER. The Senville is a mini split air conditioner and heater of 15 SEER with inverter compressor by Toshiba. It is a low ambient kit feature to help cooling and heating room through the temperatures go down as low as 5 F. It is easy to install kit with 16 FT with quiet whisper operation technology. It would be great for buying to use in the household like bedroom, living room or another. Number 3. Senville SEER 18 CD 18,000 BTUs 15 SEER. Not bad to get this mini split air conditioner for home or many more. It is an amazing heat pump and air conditioner which is able to work smartly with quiet operation to produce cooling or heating based on the weather change. This is an inverter compressor made by Toshiba. The Senville is convenient and comfortable for household use with reasonable price and great quality. Number 2. Pioneer WIS 01217 Air Conditioner Inverter Plus. Get more comfortable and convenient with Pioneer. It is a mini split system for providing cooling and heating when the weather changes. Do not concern to buy this air conditioner and heat pump. The Pioneer will bring the right choice for you to get the right product. This would be a great product which comes in full set when you purchase it. Number 1. Pioneer 12,000 BTUs Air Conditioner Inverter Plus. The Pioneer is the newest WAYS series of wall-mount mini-split ductless inverter air conditioning and heat pump system. It is possible to heat or cool any contiguous area, quietly, effectively and efficiently. This is a cooling and heating system which comes with full system set, containing indoor section, outdoor section, remote controller and standard installation accessories. I'm an icon, man. I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.